How to install the mower deck on a Huskee Lawn Mower. The mower deck on a Huskee riding lawn mower and lawn tractor operates the drive and cutting systems. This deck contains the clutch, the mandrel pulleys, the drive belt and the housing the blades sit on under the deck. You need to remove the deck for almost every repair and minor maintenance operation. The good news is that you won't need any tools to remove or install the deck. Just be sure to wear all the proper safety equipment whenever working around the mower deck. Things you'll need: safety gloves, work shoes. Move the Huskee riding mower onto a level surface. Engage the foot brake and switch over the parking brake to turn it on. Turn the ignition key to the off position and remove the key. Unhook the rubber boot on the tip of the spark plug and position the boot so it won't accidentally hit the plug during maintenance. Move the attachment lift lever into its lowest position. Move the mower deck under the mower. Position the deck so the suspension arms on the mower align with the brackets on the deck. Make sure that the mower side suspension arms are pointed forward before sliding the deck underneath. Move the mower side suspension arms into position on the chassis. Position the suspension arms hole with the pin on the outside of the mower's chassis. Slide the retainer spring through both holes. Attach the other side's suspension arm. Lift up on the rear corner of the mower and position the rear lift link assembly. Position the slot and the link over the pin on the rear mower bracket. Slide the retainer spring into the holes. Attach the front links in the same manner. Insert the retainer springs from the left side of the tractor. Connect the hook on the clutch arm to the idler arm. Push the clutch's housing guide over the bracket, slide the collar around the guide and secure them with the retainer spring. Install the drive belt on the rear engine pulley. Check the drive belt to make sure it is in place on all the pulleys and guides. Raise the attachment lift lever.